Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create giant people in Higgsfield AI. So Higgsfield AI is a platform that allows you to create mind-blowing, even mind-bending visual effects for your videos and your images, and I will show you what I mean by that. So just go to this website higgsfield.ai, choose the login and or sign into your account, then click on the Higgsfield so section, or just scroll down. You would see the giant people option here. Click on it and you're brought to a page like this where you would see large people or towering seemingly giant people on smaller constructs of things. So you can create a similar image by clicking on any of these images here. So let's assume I want to create something like this. All I have to do is to click on the image and I would see the prompt used to create that particular image, and I can copy it by clicking on it here, or I can just click on recreate and I would see the prompt and then just modify it to make it mine and recreate a similar image. So I've gone ahead to modify the prompt and to make it a female that will be sitting on the seat, on the chair rather. So I can change this to basic. This is the resolution area, the quality area. So you can change this and to change to 1 credit. Higgsfield gives you 5 credits per day, so you can have up to 5 generations. And the aspect ratio, this is in 9:16, which is the vertical ratio. I can change it to 16:9 if I want, but I'm okay with this, so I'll leave it as it is. Then what's left for me to do is just to click on generate and wait a few seconds for my image to get ready. So good, we can see that our image is really beautiful. You can let's take a closer look. So we can see the image here. This is just beautiful. So you can go on to download it if you want, or make it speak or create a video with it, and that will be it, guys. So let me know what you think about it in the comment section. If you also have a question, let me also know, and please subscribe to the channel. We're actively trying to grow. We'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys.